Last September, we announced a series of changes that we'd be making to better protect kids and their privacy on YouTube, and to address the concerns raised to us by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission. Starting today, to comply with Coppa, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, and other laws, these changes will go into effect. This means from now on, any content made for kids will have certain features limited or turned off to lessen data collection and use. Hi, I'm Lauren, the head of family partnerships at YouTube. We know this is a big change, so let's go over what you'll now see on content that's made for kids. On the watch page of any video made for kids, you'll no longer see personalized ads. You will continue to see ads that are based on the context of the video, not user data. In other words, you'll continue to see ads on these videos, but they may be less personalized. In addition, you won't see other creator monetization features like Super Chat or the merch shelf, which require user information. You'll also notice comments, live chat, notifications, and playlisting turned off, and you won't be able to use the mini player. You'll still be able to subscribe to the channel, and all those videos will be available in the subs feed of your YouTube app. Channels that are entirely targeted towards kids will also have some features turned off, including stories, the notification bell, and the community tab. Again, all of these features rely on user data. So for videos that are made for kids, these features as they stand today must be limited or turned off to comply with the law. YouTube is not and has never been for people under 13. We remove thousands of accounts per week when we discover they belong to someone under 13. But the FTC investigation raised the concern that given the increase in shared devices, kids may be watching kids' content on YouTube unsupervised. And we can't control how people and families decide to use YouTube together. So we have to make these changes to distinguish what content is made for kids on YouTube, and then ensure we handle data for that content in a way that protects kids' privacy. We are committed to continue providing high-quality kids content for free through the YouTube Kids app, which is available on mobile devices, computers, and TVs. We've recently expanded signed-in support so that parents can access kids' profiles and control their child's experience on the YouTube Kids app across even more devices. Please let us know if you have questions in the comments. We'll answer as many of them as possible and keep an updated list of FAQs in the pinned comment below. We know these changes may have significant impact on creators making kids content. We're committed to helping them navigate this new landscape. In the meantime, we'll continue to engage on this issue with the FTC and other lawmakers. If you're a creator and want to learn more about this update and how to mark your content as made for kids or not, please check out these two videos on the YouTube Creators channel, also linked in the description. Thank you for watching.